Welcome to today's video where we are going to be doing a DIY clay face mask. Hi, I'm Healy. Welcome back to my channel where we judge products, not people. For 2020, I have not been taking care of my skin like I'm supposed to, and it has let me know. I used to be on a pretty good routine of cleansing, exfoliating, moisturizing, and nourishing my skin. And y'all, with everything that has been going on for me for 2020, I just fell off the skincare bandwagon. I really did. I have a lot of hyperpigmentation and dark marks. I had some acne breakouts. My skin has just really been acting up, but that's the signal to me that I need to do something about it. I cleansed my face with this Pure Grace African black soap. It is a liquid black soap. Then I followed up with the Urban Hydration Kiwi and Pomegranate Micellar Cleansing Water. I really like this. And then for today's clay mask, I am using a combination of activated charcoal, turmeric powder, and white kaolin clay. I have a video explaining some of the benefits of these clays and ingredients, so I'll link it in the description box below. I prefer to apply my clay mask to damp skin. And I made it a bit more liquidy than what I normally make it. And it has like a grayish look. And it's mostly because of the activated charcoal being black and then the kaolin clay being white. The turmeric powder, you don't really see it once it's been mixed up. When I'm working with turmeric, I normally mix it with something to like dilute the staining power. I do want all of the benefits, but turmeric powder stains everything, just like activated charcoal. So hence me wearing this t-shirt. You've seen me use these applicator brushes before. You can use your fingers, you can use a cotton ball, you can use a towel, you can use like a facial sponge. I just choose to use this. It helps me to apply the mask evenly and in even layers. So usually what I'll do is I'll apply like the initial layer of the mask and maybe let it dry like 1 or 2 minutes, and then I'll apply a second mask. And depending on how thin or thick or what's going on, sometimes I might even apply a third layer and then let all of that dry. I did not use any water, so this is straight up clay and apple cider vinegar, and I definitely can smell and feel the apple cider vinegar. Don't worry about my hair. That's coming up in a video after this one. I'm going to be continuing on with my alphabet series. We are in the letter B. So if you haven't seen the letter A, go ahead and check out that video. And this is a very easy application. Like I said, I like using these because it helps me to apply even layers. And it helps me to ensure I get the product everywhere. Don't forget your neck. And like if I was in the shower, I would extend this down to like my shoulders and my chest. But for the sake of this video, I am just going to do my face and part of my neck. Be careful around your eyes, your nose, and your mouth. And while I could technically consume this clay, like I've mentioned before many times, everything that I recommend on this channel is for external use only. Even if I'm eating food, I'm not telling you to eat it. It's just what I'm doing. But please, when you are making DIY mixes, or even when you're purchasing face masks, hair masks, whatever, make sure that you read the ingredients. And if you see something that you're not familiar with, please look it up, because it's no fun applying something to your skin or to your hair, and then you find out that you're allergic to it or you have some kind of adverse reaction. If you're not sure, please stop and look it up. All right, so this is the first layer. I do have enough left to apply a second layer, and because I'm not interested in saving any of this mask, I'm gonna use it all. But I'm gonna let what's on my face now dry for like a few minutes, and then I'll apply the next layer. And you can see, like, right around my lips, you see, so that was obviously very thin, and so it's already drying out. But yep, this is how the mask looks. I'm probably gonna let this sit for, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes. I rinse it off really, really well, and then I apply a moisturizer. I have a product that my mom actually gave me, thanks Mom, and it's a night oil, but I want to show it to you, and I'm gonna apply it after I rinse off this mask. Ladies and gentlemen, I am back. I let the face mask sit on my face and air dry for about 10 minutes. I'll insert some clips to show you kind of what my face looked like during the drying process. I rinsed it off, and y'all, my face feels so like smooth, still like slightly tight, but it feels like refreshed and clean. And I know, like, the dark marks and all of that kind of stuff is detracting from like the health of my skin. Not y'all, I am a hair product connoisseur. I've been saying that like since I started my channel, so but I am truly a hair product connoisseur. But at the same time, DIY is in my blood. DIY is in my heart, and it's not going anywhere. So this was a really good mask, and these masks are very simple. You have the ingredients, you mix them together. This particular mixture, I believe I let it sit for about 45 minutes before I applied it, unless I'm in a rush or a hurry, and I try not to be. Once I mix my ingredients together, I like to let them sit for a while. I'll stir it occasionally, and then I apply. What I do after I rinse the mask off is I get a hot towel, and I just put it over my face and kind of let the warm water and the steam like refresh and soft and moisten my face, and then prepare it for whatever oil or moisturizer I'm going to use. And I just press the water into my face, and I make sure that the towel, it's not soaking, dripping wet, but it does have, some water that I am actually pressing into my face. And don't forget your neck. Normally what I'll do after this is I'll go in with coconut oil or some type of light oil to moisturize my face. I do have some creams and stuff like that, but most of the time I'm using a single oil or a mixture of 2 or 3 at the most carrier oils, and maybe a few drops of an essential oil. Today I'm going to show you something different, and this is just something that my mom gave me recently, and it is called Manjus Glow Elixir Glow Giving Nighttime Facial Massage Oil, Ayurveda's Pink Powder Potion, Pure Classical Manjustadi Oil, and it's by Ayura. So here's what the bottle looks like. And same thing, it says the Manjus Glow Elixir. It is a nighttime facial massage oil, but I'm gonna use it right now because I just want to show you like how it looks. The first ingredient is cow milk, and then there's also sesame oil, lemon, Indian madder, butter tree, lac, and licorice. No mineral oil, parabens, or chemicals. 100% natural Ayurvedic product, not tested on animals. So I always like swirl the bottle or the container around. I try not to shake it. I don't shake it, but you know, I'll tip it or swirl it around just to mix whatever ingredients are in the product. And just a few, see, it's red. No, that's not going in my eye. All right, and I'll grab that, yeah. It didn't get in my eye though. And I just wrote, ooh, this feels good. And I used this like a couple of times before. But this feels very smooth, especially since right after I did this clay mask and my skin was already feeling smooth and refreshed. Oh, that feels really good. I'm gonna put just a couple more drops at the top. And all right. Oh, this feels really good. It is a nighttime oil. It doesn't say that it has any SPF or anything like that. I'm not going anywhere though. I actually have another video to record right after this, so I'm not going outside. I don't have to worry about any of the ingredients like interacting with the sun, because some products you put on your face and it says avoid direct sunlight for, you know, 30 minutes to a few hours or whatever. This doesn't say that, but I'm not going outside anyway. It was interesting to me that the first ingredient is cow milk, but you wouldn't be able to tell, you know, by it being red. It doesn't have a milky consistency. It doesn't smell like milk. It has I don't know, like a subtle smell. I don't know. I don't know where my mom got this from. I don't know how much it costs. The website is the AyurvedaExperience.com. Maybe she got it online. My OCD, I'm trying to line it up exactly so the images. Y'all, I'm that person who, you know, like if you go to Starbucks or Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf or whatever, and you order your drink and they give you the cup, the part where I sip the drink from has to be perfectly centered on the logo. I know, make fun of me if you want, but it is what it is. Let me know, have you tried any of these ingredients for a DIY face mask? So either the activated charcoal, the turmeric, or the white kaolin, or what else have you tried? So my skin is smooth and it feels moisturized and hydrated. Like, that's not the issue. The issue for me is the dark marks, the hyperpigmentation. I am ordering products from the Ordinary brand, and I'm gonna see how those work. I tried that brand like a long time ago and I think it worked. I'm not sure why I stopped using it, but I did. But I'm gonna be ordering from them soon, and we'll see how those products work. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, click that notifications bell, and share with everyone you know. Until next time, bye.